Let's look at a very common prefix used in English, dis. It means not or the opposite of. For example, like and dislike. Let's look at 20 more, the most common words using the prefix dis in English. Disagree. To have a different opinion, to not agree. I disagree with your plan for the project. Disappear. To vanish, to go out of sight. The sun began to disappear behind the clouds. Dislike. To not like something or someone. I really dislike the taste of olives. Disconnect. To break the connection of something. Please disconnect the power before you repair the outlet. Discover. To find something for the first time. Scientists hope to discover new forms of life in the ocean. Disrespect. A lack of respect or courtesy. Talking over someone is a sign of disrespect. Disable. To make something not work or function. You can disable the alarm by entering the code. Disappoint. To fail to meet someone's hopes or expectations. I didn't want to disappoint my parents. Disapprove. To have an unfavorable opinion of something. My parents disapprove of me staying out so late. Disorder. A state of confusion or untidiness. The room was in complete disorder after the party. Discount. A reduction in price. I got a 20% discount with this coupon. Distrust. To not trust someone or something. He felt a deep distrust towards the salesman's promises. Dismiss. To send someone away, to reject an idea. The judge decided to dismiss the case. Disobey. To refuse to follow a rule or command. The child chose to disobey his mother. Discomfort. A feeling of mild pain or uneasiness. He felt some discomfort in his knee after the run. Disrupt. To interrupt and cause disorder. The loud noise disrupted the meeting. Dishonest. Not honest, prone to lying or cheating. It was dishonest of him to take credit for her work. Disqualify. To make someone ineligible for something, often a competition. Using a banned substance will disqualify an athlete. Dispose. To throw away or get rid of something. Please dispose of your trash in the bin. Distant. Far away in space or time, not friendly. They could see the distant mountains. What other words with the prefix dis can you think of? The end.